Imagine you are having a conversation with your friends, and at some point in this conversation, someone is going to bring up cryptocurrencies. And nowadays, cryptocurrencies are something that everyone wants to talk about, and many people didn't really know what are they. This video is for those who wants to understand or learn about crypto in simpler way and to earn money with cryptocurrencies. If you are new to cryptocurrencies, then you are at the right spot. I'm Ashwin and you are watching Ash on Tech. Here we talk about everything crypto. Now, without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are known as digital currency or a decentralized form of currency that can be used for payments or either investments. And what digital currency means is that it's not in the form of physical fiat currency as you can see or touch. Rather, it's a type of encoded digital form whose record is stored in millions of computers all around the world. As said earlier, cryptocurrencies are mainly used for payments, and for any payment to happen, you need a medium. For example, in banking system, the medium is the bank. And like that, even for cryptocurrencies, we need a medium, and that medium is blockchain, which is an open source. Now let's talk about blockchain in brief. Blockchain technology has came into existence to solve problems like lack of transparency and to eliminate lot of fees that is happening between middlemen. For example, consider banks. What happens when you try to transfer money to your friend in US or Europe? The banks will charge 3, 4 or 5% commission on your transaction and we as poor people keep on paying and paying and paying. So here's this entire middleman economy that has came up with the market. This is not only in the banking sector. Unfortunately, in almost every sector we come across daily. With the help of blockchain, we can completely eliminate this middleman economy. And blockchain is also used to solve problems like lack of transparency, which leads to corruption and many other problems. For example, let's say there is a manager and two employees, employee 1 and employee 2, working together for a company. Consider manager is giving 1000 rupees to employee 1 and asking him to equally share the money with employee 1 and employee 2 respectively, that is rupees 500 each. Think that each of these transactions are written in a book or a ledger. What happens if that book is stolen or that book is hacked or destroyed? Then there is no certain proof that manager has gave rupees 1000 to employee 1. And employee 1 can say that manager didn't give any money this time. This is the lack of transparency and this can be eliminated with the help of blockchain since the transaction stored in blockchain cannot be hacked or erased. Decentralization. And you might be thinking what really it is. What it really means is cryptocurrency is not controlled or backed up by any authority, banks or governments. There is not a single authority that controls the price hikes and trends for cryptocurrency. This is why cryptocurrencies are called as decentralized form of currencies. And now let's talk about the story behind its creation. The first ever cryptocurrency that is founded or created is the Bitcoin. Bitcoin was launched in 2009 by a developer named Satoshi Nakamoto and he remains anonymous. In the first 7 months of Bitcoin existence, Satoshi Nakamoto mined nearly 1.1 million Bitcoins. And now with Bitcoin's current price, his 1.1 million worth Bitcoin is now worth more than 330 crore Indian rupees, which is 44 billion American dollars. So technically, the person who founded crypto is one of the richest person in the world. But the real question is he still alive? And you guys, if you find anything about his existence, then let me know by dropping a comment in the video. And if you want to learn more about Bitcoin and how to invest in it, I will leave the link of my previous video in the description where I talked about Bitcoin clearly. And now coming to the end, you will have a question in your mind. How can we buy cryptocurrencies? There are many cryptocurrency exchanges in the form of app and software that allows you to buy, sell and hold cryptocurrencies. All you need is to create an account on the exchange, transfer some funds from your bank account to your exchange account and then start buying cryptocurrencies. Few exchanges we recommend are CoinDCX, Binance, WazirX and CoinSwitch. All these exchanges are Indian exchange except Binance. You can find links to all of these in the video description. And finally, new cryptocurrencies are added to the market by a process called cryptocurrency mining, in which new bitcoins and other crypto coins become part of the market. Actually, crypto mining is not as hard as everyone think. Miners usually use supercomputers or any computer with good graphics card and computational power to solve mathematical problems and algorithms, and when the miners solve these codes and algorithms, they get the reward in the form of crypto coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is what crypto mining really is. And if you still have some questions about cryptocurrencies, then let us know by dropping a comment on the comment section below. Before going anywhere, if you don't want to miss any helpful videos about crypto world, then don't forget to subscribe to Ash on Tech and hit the bell icon. If you find this video interesting, then make sure to like this video and share this video to your friends who wants to learn about cryptocurrencies.